My name is Braden Henderson, and I'm the cobot applications engineer for SP Elements. And SP Elements is a division of SP Automation and Robotics, who deal with the collaborative side of robots, anywhere from universal robots and Mir. The difference between a collaborative robot and an industrial robot is a collaborative robot can work alongside a human, whether that's an operator at a machine or whether that's just in the passing if an operator is in the vicinity. Industrial robots normally require a large amount of guarding, and they're also very difficult to program, whereas a universal robot in particular and the collaborative robot market has got an easy interface to use, which makes it a lot easier to program. Collaborative robots can be used in lots of different industries, from manufacturing to medical and pharmaceutical to automotive and food industries. They're also used in applications such as machine tending and inspection, deburring, and they can also be used for pick and place applications. Collaborative robots are definitely not there to take jobs. They're there to assist in production, which allows you to increase production flow, but also allows to take the repetitive and boring tasks that could be strenuous on the body as well. It could be anywhere from lifting big boxes off of pallets, which an operator would be doing all the time, which then potentially lead to back problems. So they're not there to take over a job, but they're there to assist in that job. I think people might find surprising about my job is the hands-on factor in it as well. Going into companies and helping them out, whether it's installation of the robots or just giving the initial outlay of what a robot is and how it can be used in their applications. Key skills that are important for my role, especially for in collaborative robots, is having the extra people skills, being able to talk to customers. A lot of customers have got doubts about collaborative robots, so it's a good way to present a collaborative robot and show them how they could be utilised in their applications. So having a lot of people skills is a massive benefit, and also having the technical background as well, being able to think on your feet to basically adapt the application. There's very rarely you go into an application that's been done similar, so it's good to be able to think out the box. I think from school, I've always wanted to be an engineer, from taking all the technical subjects at school and starting an apprenticeship as a CNC machinist. It's always been an engineering background that I've always enjoyed, and getting involved with the sales and SP Elements now has given me a different approach. I think starting in robotics all starts from school. Being able to choose the different subjects from between physics to technical subjects like say, technological studies or graphic communication, this is all going to aid in the first instance to get into a step in robotics. And obviously following up, whether it's going through an apprenticeship, going through college and university, I think it's all dependent on the individual and how they like to proceed in their education. My career path was choosing the technical subjects at school, so graphic communication, woodwork, technological studies, and this gave me the sort of background of the manufacturing and design process that takes place of a lot of engineering jobs. I then took an apprenticeship on a local company for CNC machining, done a 4-year apprenticeship, and slowly worked my way up to a cell leader. And that's when SP Elements actually got involved with my company that I started off my apprenticeship by they bringing in a collaborative robot to try and improve processes in there. And it was at that point that I realised I thought automation was for me. A typical day in my role would be either coming into work and giving local companies a phone call to see if they would require any automation, and also then taking collaborative robot to those companies to give them a quick demonstration of how this can be suited to their application, whether it's setting up using their parts or just letting them see the collaborative nature of the robot. The favourite part about my role is going into all these different companies and different factories and getting to see the different processes of how people think as well. Getting to see all the different products getting made. It's good to see different development and how people change their processes, and also getting to demonstrate the robot, getting to see the reaction of different people, understanding how it is collaborative. It sometimes does leave a good long lasting impression.